बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. In this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful looks of crochet curtains. These are handmade, beautiful and very amazing ideas. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super amazing, super unique and most incredible collections for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing and most incredible ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video, and these are very pretty and very latest crochet curtains. So guys must make these crochet curtains for your home decor. These are very amazing and these are very latest and very beautiful ideas. Always take care and keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. I'm glad to see you all guys. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super trending and very latest and very beautiful ideas. These are very beautiful handmade collections. These are very beautiful curtains. You guys easily make these curtains. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these curtains at home, and you guys love these collections. And if you want different other crochet collections, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. I'm glad to see you guys. Always take care. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very pretty handmade curtains. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. I love to make these type of crochet curtains for my home decor. They look stunning, they look beautiful in all these images. And you guys also share your thoughts with me that how much you like this video. I'm glad to see you all guys. Hope so you all are doing well. These are very pretty handmade collections. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.